Good morning, Red Hawks. Please stand for the pledge to the flag. Put your right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated.
Good morning, Red Hawks. I'm Leah Riley.
And I'm Ralphie Sarabia.
And this is Hawk News.
We are back to our regular bell schedule. We will have one lunch today. Today is block days, period 1, 3, 5, ASAP, and 7.
Calling all boys. We are doing the Outsiders for our fall play, and we need boys. Open auditions will be held today after school in the NPR. Come see Miss Schwimmer in room 308 and pick up your paperwork. Don't miss the great experience.
Dance class. After school dance class will begin tomorrow with Miss Kaler. Please meet in her room 606 after school with all your paperwork. Please see Miss Kaler if you have any questions.
Hey Red Hawks, just a quick reminder about ASAP tutorial. So today for ASAP tutorial, will you hear that first announcement of Dr. Salehi coming on and telling you to take out your binder reminder? Take it out, open to today's date. Okay, if your binder is stamped, when he releases you, you need to go quickly and quietly to the room that you are stamped to. Everybody else wait in class. Okay, when the second announcement comes, if you do not have a stamp in your binder, then you want to make sure ahead of time that you check out the orange ASAP tutorial list to see which enrichment class you want to join. You want to check that out ahead of time because as soon as that second announcement comes on, you want to take your binder reminder out and you want to head quickly and quietly to that area. So whether you want to do open study hall in the lunch area or an enrichment in a fun classroom that you already know, you need to quickly go there because after a few minutes, if you're not in a room, we're going to take you to the lunch area where you can catch up on your homework. If you don't have your binder, you need to report to the lunch detention tables. Okay, Red Hawks, so have a great day and we'll see you out there.
Hey Red Hawks, this week's quote of the week is, "When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful." Eric Thomas.
After school tutoring. After school tutoring has started. Please see your counselor if you are interested in signing up for some extra help. Tutoring is after school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 2:10 to 3:10. 6th grade tutoring days are language and literature on Wednesdays in room 412 and math on Thursdays in room portable 1. 7th grade tutoring days are language and literature on Wednesdays in room 310 and math on Mondays in room 411. 8th grade tutoring days are language and literature on Thursdays in room 607 and math on Wednesdays in room 413.
Attention students, if you are interested in showing off your artistic side, you may want to enter a poster for web reading. Please see Ms. Cardinal in the counseling office for contest guidelines.
Red Hawks, your safety is the #1 priority. Please remember to wear your helmet if you are riding your bicycle or skateboard to school. Remember, you must walk your bicycle or skateboard to the bike rack as soon as you enter the school parking lot.
Our character word of the month is respect, and the IB Learner Profile focus is reflective.
Our academic language words of the week are estimate and document. And Ralphie, is it a yes or no to cell phones and electronic devices during lunch today?
I'm happy to report, Red Hawks, that it is a yes to cell phones and electronic devices during lunch today.
So with that, Red Hawks, remember, we are ready, respectful, and we reach out from the time we enter school to the time we return to school. I'm Aaliyah Riley.
And I'm Ralphie Sarabia.
And we'll see you out